I think we've all been in a place where we're going home in the evening and we have to think, am I going to stop for gas now? Will I get up in time in the morning to stop for gas on the way to work? With the Bolt EV and the Bolt EUV, you have to change your mindset because it's not a gas station mindset anymore.
One of the greatest things about the Bolt EV and the EUV is that you can charge it at home and you don't have to make stops along the way during your day-to-day commute.
A lot of our customers are just charging at home and just using that as their primary fueling opportunity. That's why we're providing our customers incentives for offsetting the cost of their level 2 installation.
Together with Qmerit, we're now able to offer the turnkey installation where the dealer will go ahead and help them get signed up just the same way that they do when they sign them up for other incentives.
So now when I get my car, I just take a few pictures and I've got electricians coming out, installing my outlet, and I'm fast charging.
I would also say we make it easy for our customers to shift their active charging hours into times when it's lower cost for them. I have my vehicle set to not start charging until after 9 p.m. I'll still plug it in and then my vehicle just won't begin charging until 9. Most people find that an electric vehicle is fitting their daily needs and they're charging at home. And so they don't really need to think about where you're charging your vehicle because it's right in their garage.